Hello and welcome. So this is my first chemistry lab and we're doing titration. I came in really late for this lab actually, and just heads up for everybody in the future, even if your lecture time is usually, let's say 3:30 for example, but don't assume your lab to be at that same time because don't make my mistake. Here we're just going with our usual technique of the fast drop, which is in my opinion the safest and most steady way that you can do a titration without overly putting in. Okay, this is taking way too long. Let's speed it up. I never fully understood titration labs in high school. Always just blindly following the pink color. Hence, always important to understand your lab before you do it. We can only ask questions when we actually understand about a topic and want to go deep. And there we go. I think I've reached a pretty decent light pink. Usually it doesn't happen very spontaneous like this, and this is also my first trial. We have 3 trials for this, and I was surprised that I achieved my first close equivalence point this easily on the first trial. And there you can see me very carefully tilting it away, scared of just another tiny drop which will ruin the whole thing. And burette reading to keep track of how much of the NaOH we added in the first trial. Okay, so it's about 11.4 mils. Okay, now it's our second trial. I did this one on time-lapse. I didn't know that you don't get audio for time-lapse recordings. And there you see it. I somehow reached a pretty dark pink for this one, although I was going really careful. Trial number 3. Me bringing over the second trial to compare in terms of a disappointment. The second trial was a lot darker. See, and that's the classic part of titration, right? I'm just editing this and I'm like, why are you still adding in drops? But then later I realized, oh, if you stir it, it's gone. See, there it went. It just suddenly got so dark. It's like life too. You might not see it visibly on the surface, but there's always things going underlaying that's covered, but they'll eventually show up in some way. Results. You guys can guess which one's which up to this point. Satisfying squirt to the waste container. Here I'm just having fun dumping all the extra liquids to the waste container without worrying about color change consequences. Dumping in the extra HCl back. Rinsing and cleaning everything else. I just show here how the lab room looks. So it's very narrow and it holds a lot of students. I'm on bench 40, so pretty near the back. And yeah, that's it for the first lab's documentary.